Good morning, students. I hope you all are safe and doing well at home. The topic which I am going to explain today is speech writing. So, speech writing. What is speech writing? It is a formal address to any audience. Audience means when you are going to deliver a speech in front of audience, sometimes you are delivering your speech in front of audience in the school, and speech is written to express views in front of public. Present tense is usually used while writing speech. Okay, a speech is a formal address to an audience, and here are some tips to write speech. You have to pick main idea and do not mix so many ideas in one speech. Write like you talk. How you like to talk, just you have to write like that. It should be in the simple language. If your vocabulary is not so good, so do not mix difficult words in the speech. It should be very simple. And your speech, remember that you are writing a speech, not an essay. It should not be look like an essay. In the speech, how it should not be look like an essay means you have to add some questions, some gestures, some data, some argument, some new ideas you have to add in your speech, and give your facts together. Remove any unnecessary repetition and punctuation marks. Where to use punctuation marks, that should be used carefully, and no grammatical errors should be there in your speech. Now come to the format of the speech writing is divided into main three paragraphs. First paragraph is your introduction paragraph. Introduction paragraph is how you open your speech with greeting and self introduction by a speaker. It is a self introduction by a speaker, and it seeks the attention also of the audience. Then come to the main body. Main body means here you have to write the main content. It contains the key points a speaker wants to convey to the audience. Here so many ideas, data, details, definitions, your quotations you can add. And come to conclusion. Conclusion is when you are going to close your speech. It is usually a summary of all the major points that a speaker has made. Here, speaker may raise the audience awareness, motivate them to think and act, any warning you can give in this hope, or you can bring any hope by leaving thank you here. Now come to paragraph number 1. Paragraph number 1 is your introduction paragraph, and it should be short. You have to greet the audience here and introduce yourself. You have to introduce the topic here. You can start with any quotation also. Paragraph number 1, here is one example. Respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends, I am Manpreet Kaur, the head girl of the school. I am delighted to have this golden opportunity of expressing my views on the topic. You have to write it down here. Now come to the second paragraph, that is main content, means main body of the speech. The body of the speech contains the key points a speaker wants to convey to the audience. Okay, here you can write down some facts related to your topic. You can write down some data if you know. Okay, then you can add some relevant example, ask questions. Ask question means it doesn't mean somebody should reply from the audience. No, you have to ask questions to gain the attention, okay, of the audience. Then explain your topic in detail. Then come to paragraph number 3, that is your conclusion. It is the closing of your speech. it is usually a summary of all the major points that a speaker has made here. Okay, here speaker can raise any voice, they can raise the audience awareness, they can motivate them, they can give any warning or any hope they can arise. So end your speech by formally thanking the audience for their time and attention. So here are the important tips how you can write your first paragraph, introduction paragraph. First of all of you are familiar with nowadays coronavirus is there, so you can add all of you are familiar with COVID-19 if you are writing paragraph on speech on COVID-19. I stand before you to speak dash, you have to write your topic here. All of you are familiar with old saying. Old saying means any proverbs or any किसी बुजुर्ग की आप यहाँ पे quotation you can add. I welcome you all on the occasion of here. Occasion means when you are celebrating any day like Vaisakhi celebration, Diwali celebration, so you can add here. Now here is the concluding lines. Now it is time to act or raise your voice against female foeticide. If you can raise your voice, then you can write here this line: as a responsible citizen of our country, you have to take care of your environment if it is a pollution related thing. So you have to choose these concluding lines according to your speech. Need of ours is means आजकल की क्या need है to facilitate better. In my opinion, here you can give your opinion also. Okay, thank you so much बच्चे.